Hey my forevers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean all of my brushes and my beauty sponges. So I usually have these things here to keep my brushes in, just like this. I keep my smaller ones in this, and then my bigger ones in this here. I do have a little more brushes over to the side that does not fit, so I just left them off to the side. But what I like to do when it comes to cleaning my brushes, I get a bar of soap, preferably one that really gets sudsy and soapy and foamy. Foamy is the word I was looking for. So you really want a soap that's foamy and that just gets the job done, that exfoliates, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so I usually use, the soap that I usually use is either a Dial soap, Dove soap, or Zest. This is a Zest, and all of these soaps are perfectly okay for your brushes and won't harm anybody's skin after using this to clean your brushes with. It's perfectly safe. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do all of that. Just do all of that. And I'm just going to jump right into it. So, first I like to take a couple of brushes. I do a couple of brushes at a time, just so it won't take forever. So I usually take 3 to 4 brushes at a time to start out the process, just so that I'm not, taking forever. You want to make it quick and easy. So I turn on the water, get the soap wet. Just like that. You don't want it too hot. Just like that. And I like to take it on the back side because it has this divot in it. As you can see, there's like a swoop in it where the brushes can neatly lay inside, and you can just start. So the trick is you just want to get in there just like this. And what this soap does, it just rubs off the dirt, not dirt, but makeup and eyeshadow out of your brushes. You want to rinse while you do that. You see that it's really making the suds. It's really getting sudsy and soapy, and that's what you want. As you do that, you rinse as well. Basically, like you're taking a shower. And then I always rub this on my hand just to sort of rinse it off. You don't want to keep your brushes soapy. And I always give it a shake to get the excess water out. And this is what we have. Clean brushes. Just like that. Clean brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that same technique on these 4 brushes here. Nothing to it but to do it. And as you can see, clean. This particular brush was used for a full coverage application, so this has tons of makeup in it from one of my clients, so it's really packed in there. As you can see, it's a really this brush is meant for full coverage. This is a full coverage airbrush brush from Sephora, so it has makeup galore. So gonna go ahead and get started on that one. Like that. And as you can see what I'm doing here, I'm gonna rinse off the excess soap with my hands and shake out the excess water. And there we have it. There we have it. Good as new. So what I'm gonna do next is go ahead and clean one of my beauty sponges. Let you guys know how good the soap cleaning works on sponges as well. Good as new. Clean, no spots, no makeup, clean, new beauty sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of my brushes and I'll be right back with the final results. Hey you guys, so this is the finished product. These are all of my clean brushes. No spots, all clean. And here are a couple of more to the side. These four here, all clean. All of my sponges are nice and clean as well. No makeup, no residue, all clean. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.